Hi there! In this video we're going to talk about how to post a job to your Handshake account. So if you haven't already created your Handshake account, I've got a video linked below in the description that will show you how to set up your employer account. So once you've got your employer account set up, we're going to go to employers.joinhandshake.com. Once you're on this page, go ahead and come down here to Employers and Career Centers, type in your email, hit Next, and enter your password. Once you're in your Handshake home screen, you can go a couple of places. You can click Post a Job or go over to Jobs on the left-hand side of your screen, view all jobs, go down to a job that maybe you want to go ahead and repost, and you can click Duplicate Job. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and go to my home screen again and create a brand new job. From here, it's pretty self-explanatory, but we'll point out a few things along the way. So you can either have applicants apply in Handshake, so you'll receive resumes and application materials all through the Handshake system, or you can click Apply through External System. If your job is posted on your company website, through Indeed, LinkedIn, or other applicant tracking system, you can provide that URL here. If your company has divisions, you can put that here in the drop-down box. Your company might not have any divisions, and that's okay. If the position is temporary, you'll click that here, and you can indicate a start date as well as an end date. For the question, does this position require U.S. work authorization? If you select yes, you can indicate whether you would sponsor a work visa or hire candidates who are working under OPT or CPT. For required documents, resume is going to be checked by default, but you can select to have a cover letter, a transcript, or other documents submitted as well. For this position, I'm going to select other documents, and here you can indicate specifically what types of documents you'd like applicants to provide. Under the Preferences tab, everything is going to be optional. You can indicate earliest grad date or latest grad date. You can select which classifications you're open to hiring. If you have a minimum GPA requirement, you can indicate that here. You can also indicate specific majors. At the bottom of the screen, you can indicate who you want to receive the application materials. By default, the person who is creating the position is going to be indicated here as a recipient of those packages. If you'd like to change who receives the application materials, you can click the X button here, and you can indicate other employers that you would like to receive those materials, and you can do as many people as you would like. And you might indicate that Dylan needs to receive an email every time a new applicant applies, and maybe Brooke only needs to receive the summary of applications once the job is expired. On the Schools tab, you're going to indicate which institutions that you're connected with on Handshake that you would like to post your position with. You'll need to indicate an expiration date for your job post, and you'll only need to fill in the global apply start date and global expiration date if your position is being posted to multiple institutions. And then you'll go ahead and click that preview button and see what students see whenever they'll be applying for your position. And if everything looks okay, you'll go ahead and hit save. Once you hit that save button, your job will be pending with West Texas A&M University, and you'll be waiting on us to approve your position. If your position stays pending for more than 24 to 48 hours, feel free to give us a call at 806-651-2345. If you have any questions about posting your position or would like someone to talk you through this process, we'd be more than happy to do so. Here's our contact information, and thank you so much for recruiting students at West Texas A&M University. Have a great day and go Buffs!